I'm a it's a bad man thing. See.
Alright, ladies, you know what time it is. It's 2 o'clock somewhere. 2 o'clock for me. So you know when to catch me. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 2 p.m. every week. So we are back here with another quick wig show and tell today. If you are interested in the unit, definitely check out the information in the description box down below. Big shout out to LOCOBEAUTY for sending over the unit. Always appreciated. Always thank you. Always how you doing? So this wig today, she been out for a minute, girl. This one has been out for a minute. So this is by Bobbi Boss, and it is in the style DENNA or DENNA, however you want to pronounce it. So here is her care card. Bam, baby. Girl. Girlfriend. So Miss DENNA, let's go ahead and get into the specs of this bag. Okay, Miss DENNA, DENNA, however you want to pronounce it. Wow, okay. I don't know where to start with this wig. So, Miss DENNA, I am loving the color. Beautiful, beautiful color. And I actually really love the style. It's just something about this wig that I'm not all the way feeling. I don't know what it is. This is a comfortable cap, very roomy, and this is black rooted, girl. Always a plus. She is a right side part. Light bulb just went off. I'm a lefty, and this is a right side part. I think that's what it is for me. It's actually a really good texture. It has that really natural Bobbi Boss type of feel. I think we all are familiar with that Bobbi Boss texture. And she, you know, she has a nice decent density to her. I was hoping I would feel a little bit different about Miss DENNA, but I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know what it is about this wig that I'm not feeling. But this is a beautiful wig. Absolutely love the color. The texture is great. Cap construction, you can't beat it. If you are a right side girl, this is the wig for you. But yeah. But if you guys are interested in purchasing Miss DENNA, then definitely check out LOCOBEAUTY.com. Their information is in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. Let your girl know that you are here. And ladies, you know what I say. Whatever wig you wear, whatever style, cut, or color, wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.